What's up you guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video we're going to be installing a K&N drop-in air filter. This is seriously going to be a super simple install, nothing too hard, anybody can do this. It's recommended that you change out your engine air filter between 15 to 30,000 miles if I'm not mistaken. Mine should be clean. I believe I changed it out not too long ago, but I am going on a long trip, so I'm going to go ahead and change it out with this. I ended up going with K&N because supposedly their mileage is up to 50,000 until you need to remove it. And you don't need to throw this one away. Supposedly it's reusable. So that's the cool thing about this one. So it is a little bit more on the higher price, but if it's true what it says, it's well worth it. Supposedly it increases MPG. Supposedly it also increases horsepower, which I highly doubt it. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the install. So before we get started, I just wanted to touch note on this. So your engine air filter is going to be right here, basically where your air intake is. There's also another filter that you do want to go ahead and change out, typically around 10,000 miles, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, which I'll touch on that in the next video, which is going to be a cabin air filter. And that one's usually located inside. We'll leave that for another video. Today we're doing the engine air filter. So on the Tacomas, if you do have a 2016 and up Tacoma and a 3.5 liter V6 engine, it's super easy. It's just one tab there, one tab on this side, just like that, and it's nice and easy. So as you can tell, it's right here. This one's a bit dirty, kind of nasty. Let's go ahead and get the brand new one, and then we'll be able to throw this one away. So just so you guys can see the side-by-side comparison, this is the K&N and this is the Toyota OEM one. So yeah, it's cheapy. Let's go ahead and throw this out. Drop this in. That's simple. You literally just drop it in, make sure it's in there nice and good. Then go ahead and reseal this once more. Reseal, put the tabs back. Put the other tab. Make sure it's nice and secure, and you're ready to go. Let's go ahead and turn it on and test it out. Alright, so it was that simple, you guys. So if you guys haven't changed out your engine air filter, I would highly recommend it. It helps run your motor efficiently and everything runs nice and smooth. So I would highly recommend changing it out if you guys haven't. As you saw, it was really easy, nothing hard about it. If you guys do want to purchase it, I will make sure to link it down in the description box below. If you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.